Yeah, break it.
I have fees for these fines. Millions of dollars. You guys are going to be paid as hell.
Step out of the vehicle or you're going to get tased.
You're kidnapping me.
Step out of the vehicle.
You're kidnapping me.
Step out of the vehicle. I don't want to hurt you. Step out of the vehicle and do what I say. Step out of the vehicle. Get behind your back. Hands behind your back. Hands behind your back.
A routine stop for expired tags turned into a glass-shattering standoff when a driver claimed she didn't consent to the law. Should officers spend time negotiating with sovereign citizens, or is immediate action necessary?
Sorry? You do not consent, you do not wish to contract with me, and you don't answer questions? Alright, turn your vehicle off for me. Can I get 94? I got a sovereign citizen. 10-4. Ma'am, can you turn your vehicle off for me? Alright, listen to me. I know you don't answer questions, but you're going to listen to what I'm going to say. If you don't open the vehicle door and you step out and you turn the vehicle off, I'm going to break the window and I'm going to take you out of the vehicle and I'm going to take you under arrest. Okay, you understand that if you don't comply with what I'm saying, you are going to go under arrest. All right, one more chance. All right, I understand that. It's a female driver telling me that, and I'm going to break the window and take her under arrest. Step out of the vehicle. Step out of the vehicle.
No, kidnap me.
I'm not going to
Because I
kidnap
have
you.
a fee.
Listen to me.
No.
Listen to me, ma'am.
kidnapping.
You're going about this the wrong way. You're just going to get a citation. You're about to go to jail for resisting. You understand? So step out of the vehicle. Ma'am, I don't want to use force against you. Ma'am, I don't want to use force against you. You understand that, right? Okay. Turn your vehicle off, ma'am. Open your vehicle door. Open your vehicle door. Step out of the vehicle. I'm breaking the window. Open the vehicle door. You are under arrest. At this point, you have no say. Open the vehicle door. Open the vehicle door. You're under arrest for resisting. You are under arrest for resistance. Step out of the vehicle, ma'am. Step out of the vehicle. Step out of the vehicle, ma'am. Step out of the vehicle. Step out. Yeah, break it.
I have fees for these fines. Millions of dollars. You guys are going to be paid as hell.
Step out of the vehicle or you're going to get tased. Step out of the vehicle or you're going to get tased.
You're kidnapping me.
Step out of the vehicle.
You're kidnapping me.
Step out of the vehicle. I don't want to hurt you. Step out of the vehicle and do what I say. Step out of the vehicle. Get behind your back. Hands behind your back. Hands behind your back. You want to play games? Now you're under arrest.
You guys are sued as all.
Yeah, that's fine.
No crime committed.
The defiance ended with a broken window and a trip to the Sarasota County Jail after officers discovered a seize tag order on the vehicle. Does a driver's refusal to contract with police justify the use of force, or should there be a softer approach for nonviolent resistance?
Stand up. Clear or 10?
All of you. Brand new car. You guys are
Copy. 10-3 clear on Adam 2. 10-3 clear.
Press 3. To continue recording where you left off, press 4.
10-3 on Adam 1.
Have a seat.
Sector 5, Stormy 1071. White female conscious breathing, operation.
Sorry you're having trouble. Your message has
You have her ID and
Please
stuff?
try again later. Goodbye.
All right, I got it. Passport card. Passport card. Was she trying to record or something? This phone was talking.
I don't know. I think she was trying to call her lawyer. I really don't know. You're under arrest for resisting and whatever else I can see what's left on the vehicle. Your vehicle's going to get towed. You have the right to remain silent. The right to talk to an attorney and have him represent you before the question. If you cannot afford an attorney, won't be able to represent you before the question. Take a sign and rights. And now answer questions about things. Do you understand each other's rights that I explained to you? All right. Got rescue coming to check your cuts. Then after that, you're going to jail.
No, Florida license. I don't know what's that.
Unreal.
Got the passport card.
All she was going to get was a citation. She was bleeding a little bit, but I didn't.
Okay.
Yeah. Rescue can check you out. This has nothing to do with your constitutional rights. It's up to you to refuse.
How you doing?
Hey, how's it going? She's in here. Yeah.
What's hurting you right now?
Nothing.
Nothing's hurting. Want to take a look at your back? I'm just worried. You got some glass and you got some scratches and stuff going on. How you feeling? You
Fine.
short of breath or?
No.
Okay. You were right with me just taking some vitals and.
No, you don't need to.
You don't need to.
I don't wish to consent.
Okay.
I don't want to
All right.
contract with you.
No,
Okay.
I understand. No, that's fine. You don't have any medical problems you need us to evaluate you for or check out? Okay.
Good.
All right.
Bypass representation. Checking
You
your
didn't get your head or anything like that? Okay.
She just had probably glass rash from getting her outside the vehicle.
You mind giving me your first name? Your name at all? Or?
I don't answer questions.
Okay. I'll talk to the officers then and get a little bit of information. But if you have any medical problems, just let us know and we can help you out with that. Okay. All right.
Documentation says if driver is owner sees tag,
Exactly.
correct?
Yeah, so we can't take it because I think her husband is, but she's not the registered owner.
She's not a registered owner on the
No.
vehicle. Just run that by Steve, our traffic guru.
Yeah,
Make
let me
sure
call him.
Make sure we're compliant with what we need to do as
Yeah.
far as the state is concerned.
Yeah.
But,
Have the insurance card.
No, she didn't provide none of that.
Okay.
So, well, I'm gonna have to stay here with my partner because I might have a second arrest.
inventory the car, make sure we have
Yeah.
documentation so they can photograph that part.
Yeah. All right, your vehicle's being towed by Talon Towing. And the firearm that's in the car is going to go to Venice Police. You can recover it after you get out of jail.
Following her arrival at the Sarasota County Jail, the driver's refusal to acknowledge the court's authority led her to being held without bond until a mandatory competency hearing could be scheduled. The vehicle's cease tag order resulted in a permanent revocation of the registration, and because she could not provide proof of insurance, the car was eventually sold at a police auction to cover mounting impound fees. In court, her attempts to use sovereign citizen scripts were dismissed as legal mumbo-jumbo by the judge, who sentenced her to 6 months of supervised probation and over $2,000 in fines. Furthermore, she was ordered to pay restitution for the cost of the window the officers were forced to break during her extraction. This incident stands as a clear example of how a routine registration stop can spiral into a total loss of property and freedom through unnecessary defiance. Subscribe to Bodycam Real Files for more raw footage and the legal outcomes of high-stakes police encounters.